So I did a study to see if Starbucks overfilled its iced coffee with too much ice. My null hypothesis is that there is no difference in the average amount of coffee between coffee that contains ice and the coffee that does not contain ice. My alternative hypothesis is that the amount of coffee with the ice is going to be less than the coffee without the ice. I administered my survey by going to 3 different Starbucks baristas on separate days and ordered a tall, grande, and venti iced coffee. I repeated this experiment 5 times, although ideally I would have liked to have done this 30 times. The costs were too high. For each trial, I bought a measuring cup to measure the amount of coffee in each size. I then recorded the actual ounces of coffee and compared it to the advertised amount of coffee that is supposed to be in each size. The parallel box plots are shown here of the differences in the amount of coffee in each size of cup when the ice is removed. The table here shows the differences between the actual and expected amount of coffee in each size. As we see here, as the sizes increase, the differences between the actual and expected also increase. So in conclusion, for each hypothesis, HO was rejected. This means that in each Starbucks coffee cup size, the amount of coffee with the ice was less than the coffee without the ice. One limitation that I had was that I cannot repeat this study 30 times due to money and time limitations. One way to approve the project is to repeat the study 30 times instead of 15. The last way to improve this project is to do it over a long period of time instead of the 2 weeks that I had.